How to edit a budget in Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be on the main dashboard. Look for the Budgets tab in the left side menu and click on it. Here you will see a list of all your existing budgets. Find the budget category you want to edit and click the edit button with the pencil icon. Now, you can change the monthly spending limit by typing in the new amount. If you want to rename the category or update any other settings, you can do that here as well. After making your changes, don't forget to click the Save button to update your budget. Mint will now adjust your budget tracking based on the new limit, helping you manage your finances better. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to update other budget categories or spending limits. And that's it. Now you know how to edit a budget in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.